Today we will discuss about biofortification and its significance. Biofortification is the idea of breeding crops to increase their nutritional value. This can be done either through conventional selective breeding or through genetic engineering. Generally, it focuses on making plant foods more nutritious rather than adding nutrients to the food during processing. It is the breeding of crops with higher levels of vitamins, minerals, higher proteins, and healthier fats. Biofortification is the agriculture based sustainable approach to combat malnutrition and related health issues. So, it is an upcoming strategy for dealing with deficiencies of micronutrients in low and middle income countries. Biofortification is a relatively new intervention to improve human nutrition worldwide, to reduce mortality, mobility rates related to malnutrition, to increase food security and productivity. The most important objective of biofortification is to improve the protein, oil, vitamin and micronutrient content and quality. Indian Agriculture Research Institute IARI has released several vegetable crops such as vitamin A enriched carrots, spinach, pumpkin, vitamin C enriched bitter gourd, bathua, mustard, iron and calcium enriched spinach and bathua, protein enriched beans, labla, French and garden peas. The other biofortified products are high zinc variety of wheat, high iron rich rice varieties, beta carotene rich sweet potato variety, lysine and tryptophan rich maize varieties. High protein rich wheat variety called Atlas 66. You will be surprised to know that in our country a biofortified carrot called Madhuban carrot is developed by a 95-year-old farmer scientist Ballabhai Basrambhai Marwania. He is a progressive farmer from Junagadh district of Gujarat. He has utilized conventional plant breeding procedures through selective cultivation method. He has utilized entire 73 years of his lifetime to produce this biofortified Madhuban carrot. He was conferred with a national award by the President of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi during the Festival of Innovation in 2017. He was also awarded with Padma Shri in the year 2019 for his extraordinary work. What is the significance of this carrot? Madhuban carrot is a high nutritious traditional variety of carrot which contains a higher beta carotene content, which is approximately 277.75 mg per kilogram, and iron, which is 276.7 mg per kilogram in comparison to other variety of carrot. In 1943, he found that a local carrot variety was used for fodder. He selectively cultivated that variety and selected the best and grew them for domestic consumption. He followed the technique for 20 years. Since from 1985, he started the production and selling of Madhuban carrot seeds on a large scale. National Innovation Foundation NIF of India identified Sri Ballabhai and brought him national recognition in developing the variety of Madhuban carrot in which no genetic engineering, biotechnology procedure or agronomy has been utilized. The first trial was done by Rajasthan Agricultural Research Institute RARI Jaipur, and the carrot gave a significant higher yield and plant biomass. Several other trials were also made at different states like Gujarat, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. It is being planted in an area of over 200 hectares in Junagadh district, and the average yield is 40 to 50 tons per hectare, which has become the main source of income to the local farmers. So, biofortification is the idea of breeding crops to increase the nutritional value, which can be done through conventional selective breeding.